How many times should you post on your Google My Business page? This is a good question, and for a reason. These posts that you add onto your Google My Business profile, they do help you get more exposure. In these posts, I normally recommend adding a photo, optimizing the post properly, and then having a link to either your offer or your website or your profile page on a platform, on a social platform. It's really up to you, but these posts that you add on your Google My Business page on a regular basis, they do help you more exposure. So it's my best recommendation to actually start posting and doing that on a regular basis. Now, I do have a real estate agency page in front of me, and we're on the overview tab. Now let's go to the updates tab. This is where we actually see what the business is posting. So we can see they keep on adding photos. They're not really keeping this very well updated. The posts are pretty old. So one thing that you need to note about this, a photo, a keyword optimized description, and a link are the three attributes that you need to have on each and every of your posts in order to start getting more exposure, to start getting more clients. Now, these posts, they do expire. So if you upload a photo post here, it will eventually expire and will disappear from here. So you need to really be posting regularly. This is very, very important. Now, what to post? Add a photo, add something that's happening in your niche, in your business, anything that you could share with your potential audience, with your potential clients, share it on your Google My Business page. Now, for best results, I do recommend to get your photos optimized before uploading them as posts. So I would be happy to help with that. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you need any help actually scheduling your posts, this is what I can help with as well. So anything you can do on your page that relates to what you do and your business, you should always post it on your page just to keep your page regularly updated. Google rewards active businesses. Google loves active businesses. Do all that you can in order to be seen as one, because this is what brings results. So to answer the question about how many times should you post on your Google My Business page, I like to say it needs to be at least once a week, every week. And then you just start posting once a week, every week. You can slow it down just a little after a couple of months. So it could be one post every 10 days or so. That's just 3 posts a month. So it's not something complicated to do. 1 post a week or 3 posts a month is what you need to keep your page active and regularly updated and to keep getting clients. So just do it. You really need to do it.